Good morning, students. Hope you are learning well at homes. On the last term, we were discussing about present continuous tenses. Now, today, I am going to start the similar topic past continuous tense. So, past continuous tense. Before I start, let me show you some examples. Ravi was writing a letter yesterday. I was watching the watch. I was watching the match at this time yesterday. It means that we use we use past continuous tense to tell about to tell about to tell about an action that was going on at a point of time in past and was not completed. Means when we need to talk about a point of time in past, an action that was happening at a point of time in past and it was not completed, it was going on in past. When the speaker saw, at that time it was continuous. Like if I say to you, yesterday they were playing in the park, means when the speaker was moving from that direction and he watched that they were playing in the park, and when he saw them, that at that time they were playing, their match was not completed. So you need to keep in mind, when we talk about an action in past and that was continuous, that was not completed when the speaker saw that. So for that kind of sentences we use past continuous tense. This is what where we use past continuous tense. Now here we need to see the rule. Here what the rule says. Now look at it. The rule says was and were plus b1 plus ing. Was and were plus b1 plus ing. We need to use the helping verb was and were plus verb first form ing. You know pretty well that ing we add only in the verb first form. And we use was with singular subject and I. If it is a singular subject or it is I is a subject, then we use was, and we use were with the plural subject and other plural pronouns we use were. So for singular plural we have got the knowledge. So this is to keep in mind that was is used with singular subjects and I, and were is used with plural subjects. Now how to make negatives and interrogatives? It's as simple as that. Now I need not to explain so much, because you have learnt in the present continuous tense how to make negatives and interrogatives. In the same way you need to make negatives and interrogatives. For example, if it is a sentence like they were playing cricket, they is a plural subject, we used were there, and play is the verb first form plus ing, and cricket, they were playing cricket. This is the past continuous tense. Now they say to you change into negative sentence, then what you need to do? You need to simply add not after helping verb. They were not playing cricket. They were not playing cricket. In the same way, Ravi was writing a letter. So Ravi was not writing a letter. If you need to make interrogatives, then add helping verb was or were in the starting, as we does in the same way as we done in the present, the same way you do in past continuous tense. Like Ravi was writing a letter, so you need to make it interrogative. Was Ravi writing a letter? And in the end there must be a question mark. So in this way I think that you can solve the exercises of past continuous tenses. One more thing to keep in mind is this, that if you need to change, for example, if I say to you conversion, if you need to convert, okay, convert into past continuous tenses, then you must remember the rule. Okay, if they say to you change into past continuous, then rule must be there with you. What is the helping verb that we used in past continuous? Was verb plus v1 plus ing. This much must be there with you. Was verb plus v1 plus ing. Was verb plus b1 plus ing. This is the rule. Past continuous tense, if you want to make, or if you need to convert it in past continuous tense, use them. Like Ravi writes a letter. You see that this is a writes verb indicate that this sentence is in simple present, and you need to change in past continuous. Then what is the helping verb in past continuous tense? Was oblique verb. So what we will use with Ravi? Ravi is singular, we use was. Ravi was writing a letter. Writes is a write is the main verb. So we extract first form of the verb, then add ing, and then complete it. So in this way, you see, like if there is I watched the match. I watched, the second form of the verb, simple past tense. You need to change in past continuous tense. So I we use was. I was watching the match. I was watched, the second form of verb. First we extract first form of the verb, root form of the verb, and then we add ing. I was watching the match. They will play. Will play. It goes to the simple future tense, but you need to change in past continuous. Then simply for they, we select the helping verb. What is the helping verb with they? They were, and play is the first form of the verb, add ing. They were playing cricket, and in this way this sentence becomes in past continuous. So in this way you can change the given sentences into past continuous tense. So now in this way you can solve all the exercises based on past continuous tense. If you have any problem, write in the comment box. Thank you.